Dear student, welcome to my class of Science 1, chapter number 1, the laws of motion. Today we will learn the topic about speed and velocity. From the speed and velocity, we will learn some numerical examples. Here I have written one example from your textbook. Which is that example? An athlete is running on a circular track. He runs a distance of 400 meters in 25 seconds before returning to his original position. What is his average speed and velocity? In this example, you have to calculate the average speed and velocity of an athlete. Now look at the figure. This is the circular track. What is the length of this circular track? The length of this circular track is 400 meters. Now suppose from here the athlete starts running. It means that it is a starting point of an athlete. And again he reaches up to this point. This is the finishing point of an athlete. Now try to consider a point A which is starting point and finishing point. Then what will be displacement? Displacement of an athlete will be equal to how much? 0 meter. Why? Because the athlete starts from this point and again reach at this point. Both starting point and finishing point of an athlete are same. Therefore, his total displacement will be 0 meter. Now, we will calculate the average speed of athlete. What is the average speed of athlete? Total distance traveled upon total time. What is the total distance traveled? Here, the total distance traveled is equal to how much meter? 400 meter. Therefore, you can write down here how much? 400 meter. Divided by total time. Total time is how much? 25 seconds. You can write down here 25 seconds. Now, you can just calculate 25 ones are 25, 25 ones are 25. How much remaining? 15. 0, therefore 150. 25 6 are 150. Therefore, what is your value? 16 meter per second. That is the average speed of athlete is how much? 16 meter per second. Now, we will calculate the average velocity of athlete. Now, what is displacement? Is the minimum distance between the starting point and finishing point. Now, since the point is at the same place, याचा अर्थ काय होतो की सुरुवातीचा बिंदू आणि शेवटचा बिंदू ऍथलीटचा काय एकाच ठिकाणी आहे. मग याच्यात कोणतं अंतर राहील का? याच्यात कोणतंच अंतर राहणार नाही. मग डिस्प्लेसमेंट काय होईल तुमचं? 0 होईल. आणि देअरफॉर व्हॉट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट हियर? 0 meter. And what is total time taken? That will be equal to 25 seconds. 0 upon 25 will be equal to how much? 0 meter per second. That is the average velocity of athlete will be equal to how much? 0 meter per second. Now we will switch over to the next example, that is the second one. What is your second example? An object moves 18 meter in the first 3 seconds, 22 meter in the next 3 seconds, and 14 meter in the last 3 seconds. What is its average speed? In order to solve this, first we have to write down S1 equals to distance traveled by an object in first 3 seconds, that is equal to how much? 18 meter. Then we have to take a S2 will be equal to distance traveled by an object in next 3 seconds, that is equal to how much? 22 meter. S3 equals to distance traveled by an object in last 3 seconds equal to how much? 14 meter. Now we will just find out the average speed of an object. What is this formula? Total distance traveled upon total time taken by an object. Now here, what is the value of S1? The value of S1 is equal to how much? 18 meter. It means the distance traveled in first 3 seconds is equal to 18 meter plus distance traveled by an object in next 3 seconds is equal to how much? 22 meter plus distance traveled by an object in last 3 seconds is equal to how much? 14 meter. Now the total time taken, that will be equal to S1 takes how many seconds? 3 seconds plus S2 takes how many seconds? 3 seconds. Then distance S3 takes how many seconds? 3 seconds. Now we can easily calculate it. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 8, 8 plus 6, 14. Then you can write down here 4, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That is a 54 meter upon 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9 second. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. Therefore, the average speed of an object will be equal to 6 meter per